I'm here for the woman empowerment. Mewaha. If you've been following for long, I won't even say I'm a key advocate for women, especially Ahosepe media dramas about women, and my attention about Mr. Weber, pardon me, please. My attention about BB, so let me just pass through with it quickly. There's this woman, or Ahanta West for Member of Parliament. Now, the interesting thing is that since 1992, I learned that the seat has been for the MPP. And for the first time since 1992, Oba Besia etimi eje sit. No, she's not sleeping. Oba Ghana, her language is popular. The woman is advocating. Sene kasa no Ahanta kasa no ko aside or west no mo kan zama bika fancy, but she's really pushing say Ahanta language, omo de beka languages and collection with school because no so no ne mama ne papa ngina every Ahanta over kasa no want because they don't teach it in school. I think this is something we need to applaud. As a woman, I'm here to support the women. Tikwabipi Boma Honorable Mavis Kukua Bisiu for the great thing I warrior and I for the airport court municipal assembly honum Ahanta West and no more launch na enye easy cry. It's no honum with your Ahanta wa manone baby I will be a wemping or boy juma mon support or yeah bibi bonnie and kabaina or trended the day and day. She's doing this good initiative here support 9% can be both video in the chair of parliament before we go when for ketwa. So Honorable Mavis Kukua Bisiu, congratulations for this great initiative. Still on the women, I be on so no. I mean, no, not tired now for my clothing can show say, Nessan, where you my bosso. I see, say, or the crochet in the end, I be with your bag and the or walk or the back at Ketaba, and I saw the full dress. That's interesting. Baby girl, Aquaba. Yo, yes, all by Joy Friday Wednesday, no. He said, if he had it, it's a I see. Welcome once again. Thank you. What had near me fe? Oh, bet me I'm sorry, not your hairstyle, no. Okay, yeah, show the color different. They were the pink and I blend the what I say, no. Eddie blue ne room. Oh, that's nice. Wow, Momo man, this is beautiful. Wow, Aqua baby. And you did this?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Obey me be mama ya fe. How so choose uhia de nyina na e wa he. Oh, okay.
3 pay. Into way me starting an opera for you.
Yeah, I saw you doing it there.
Yeah.
And then away no. You started out fresh.
Yeah.
So chema way media.
Yeah.
Hey. Abusia you me sexy. Sa. Oh, we send him there me pe. There me pe na bi nie. Bola. Talk come. And I'm the top basis. Oh. Send your chroma from fem papa. Wow, I started that bang.
I started actually.
Okay.
Professionally 5 years.
5 years. Now market net is say are they patronizing?
Yeah. But one say in Ghana they appreciating handcrafts sir. Into a woman I refer us na minya.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. So, once idea young used to know.
Yeah.
And but I shall we have it. To me, I show so many baba who are moon patronize it. Near many Google swa. Mr. Weber, ye, Chemi, and Mr. Weber, Chima, mamma, ye, mamma, me, they said, no, ye. Oh, nice. I see. All these are on Sano Juma. Oh, great. Now, Sano is very interesting. Say, what's it you here near me?
Yama way.
So be quiet, Siani, and you here your measuring tape. I pass one new idea.
Any hook no.
Wow. Hey. This is strange. But how many hours does it take to do something like this, show no?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, skeleton.
Me because my chain tea. Me a day met me finish.
Okay. Hey, it is an obedi orders be brave basa na. Ebe fa pa. Ba wo workers. Oh, wow. Because I don't pay me who say we ways. It's so strange and interesting at the same time. So I was starting to pay na wuvi. Now location way.
No, Adenta.
Oh.
Adenta na no.
Adenta. Ehwa na wo ye adwuma ne so free.
Pacha.
Ba so obi pe bi no de measurement ma wa obetimi.
Metimi
Ayama no. Oh, I see. Oh, where they are sabre bi memre no. Aye, why? Bobo number
054 981 2811.
Okay.
054 981 2811.
Right. Yeah, that's a piece. Oba running a bit. You be try ho na we ama me. Mesha be TV ne so. Ama o me hu say de na wo je no. No ni Jackie. Was so hu say de na wo ye nam ne results ni. Mesha be TV ne so ama pa tia busia Kezia, sorry, Jackie. Eni de o ye ni. Me show so social media pages bi.
No what TikTok, Yonam's Clothing.
Yonam. YONAM.
Yes.
Okay.
Yonam's Clothing. Me wo Facebook so Yonam's Clothing and Instagram Yonam's Clothing.
Okay. So people so soon slide into her DM now. One wo she me share TV so na ma hu senia. Etie. Enti no yeah sliding hwenya ma na wo ye ni biem. So that o ko ni page a wo hu say we na me kwa akosua. Mamenda ige where I say omune pam matadi edema me omo tesa no same building with Starbite restaurants. Kona omo njuja na me a rich auntie and a holiday no mama me bubu just a rich auntie steez and a hair logistics GH and mama wig in the shemisano or Instagram TikTok at hair logistics GH. Master Thomas, thank you so much. First also let us say thank you. Kobe P. That's right. Eugenia Baby will make up department, MCR, Richmond, OPD, my producer, the girl with the afro, Mr. Weber, I am a director. BDBC, holiday, no, stay safe, be good, stay out of trouble.